Where are you from?
I'm from Tennessee, you know.
Tennessee?
Tennessee. Where are you
That's
from?
what's up. I'm from Georgia. You like?
We should link up. Hey.
I'm down, bro. You got a Valentines?
Never. I mean, I did in elementary type thing.
So if I ask you to be my Valentines, what you gonna say?
Are you finna ask me for real or not? Cause you just finna give me hype or nothing. Might as well just say no. But if you finna really just ask me,
You gonna say yeah?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Little Tekka.
Huh?
Oh, that's a girl. Maddie.
Yes.
Are you gonna drop the Addy?
Yes.
So you can call me Daddy.
No.
Wait, look up real quick. Look up.
You said what?
I'm already knowing, like.
Hold on one second. I'm giving Young Boy his flowers. Calm down. Young Boy is a legend of our generation. And if y'all don't appreciate his music, he is sent from above. Now back to you. The was you questioning? Do you mean what is what, nigga? I wasn't talking to you.
Hey, bro, relax.
Why y'all so short? Do this. Do this.
Hey, it's Twist. It's Twist. I just started. Relax. Stank motherfucker. Oh!
You stay.
Wrong
You
with
in your
you.
grandma's house, the wood shot it in a.
Yeah, no, I'm.
You in there spraying baby oil on the wall? Why the
What's good, YouTube, man? Y'all know what day coming up, bro? You know what day coming up? I never celebrated this day, ever. You know what I'm saying? I never had one. Valentine's Day, bro. We about to see if I can find Valentine's on the Monkey app, bro. I never had a Valentine's. My whole 22 years of living, I never had a girlfriend or a Valentine's. Is something wrong with me? Or is it like these motherfucking females out here ain't I think it's the females. That's just me. That's just me putting it out there. I'm just like, hey man, all females not the same, but I just haven't found the one, you know what I'm saying? Sadly, but probably need to go to North Dakota. So if you in North Dakota or South Dakota, hit me up or something, please. You know what I'm saying? I said please. Please is crazy. But yeah, we about to get to this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 5K. Let's get into the video. I haven't been on this in like a while, bro. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Damn. Yeah, you tighten that up real quick when you saw me. Relax.
How old do I look?
You look 9. You know that?
I'm 18.
You're 18?
Jesus Christ. Yes.
What the fuck? Yo.
Yo.
Where y'all from?
Connecticut.
Connecticut. Bro, I don't do silent language. Like, what the I need to get back in my bag. No cap. You got any teeth? Oh, what's funny?
The last person we was talking to.
Don't come over here with no attitude now. Tighten up.
What? You gave
Tighten
me
up. Relax.
questions, so
Relax. Motherfucker keep freezing and shit, man. Cause she want to.
You think I'm gonna chase? Uh-oh.
You is.
Oh. She wasn't talking about you, but
You is gonna
talking about
chase.
you.
You is gonna chase. You sound like a chaser.
Me? I can never chase you.
It sound like you on my dick.
I don't wanna be maybe I can be.
fuck?
Shut up.
What the fuck?
I don't want no more love. I feel it's poison.
What?
Sleep at night 'cause I-
You know what month it is?
What?
You know what month it is?
Yeah.
What month is it?
February.
It's Black History Month.
Oh yeah, go black.
The fuck? She talking about go blacks. What? You know what month it is?
Yeah, it's Black History Month. Yeah.
How you celebrating it? How you celebrating it?
I'm finna get with all the black men.
What's wrong with people?
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good.
God, I don't know what's wrong with people at this time, bro, but it's too goddamn angry. Bro, I'm like, bro, what the fuck is going on with this motherfucking now?
Where are you from?
I'm from Tennessee, you know.
Tennessee?
Tennessee. Where you
That's
from?
what's up. I'm from Georgia. You like?
We should link up.
I'm down, bro.
You said what?
I said I'm down. How old is you though?
How old are you?
I'm 22. You,
I'm 20. I know I took young. I'm sorry.
No, you good? You ever had a Valentine's?
Never. I mean, I did in elementary type thing.
So if I asked you to be my Valentine's, what you gonna say?
Are you finna ask me for real or not? Cause you just finna give me hype or nothing. Might as well just say nah. But if you finna really just ask me,
You gonna say yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna say yeah?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Add me on here so I can get. You got IG?
Yeah.
Send me your IG.
Got you.
All right, bet.
All right. Well, have a beautiful night. Be careful and stay
All right,
safe.
you too, little
I
mom.
hope you really ask me though, so
I got you.
Not message.
I got you. You look good.
Thanks.
For sure.
You too. Be
All right.
careful.
What the fuck? Charles Barkley. You know what month it is? There we go. what you doing for Black History Month?
Huh?
What you doing for Black History Month?
I'm gonna.
Yo. Hello? Damn, I didn't even get a chance. Oh, you were so close, like. And why is this? Is you a girl or a boy?
That's a girl.
That's a girl? I can't see you so damn close, like, what? Hey, that is not no goddamn girl.
That's a.
I knew you was a nigga, bro.
I'm gay though. I like boys.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you. Little Tekka.
Huh?
Oh shit, that's a girl.
No, we found out your mom was dead, bitch. Stop trying me.
This foggy ass camera.
It's not foggy.
This shit foggy as hell.
No, it's not. It's just red.
Who kid is that in the back?
It's my niece, bitch. Mind business.
Go feed that motherfucker, like.
Oh,
the fuck?
ass in your face. You ugly ass bitch.
What's your pronouns? Don't get masculine on me.
Bitch, you don't tell me who to feed. I'ma feed you ass.
Don't play with me.
Bitch, shut up.
Fuck. That big ass bonnet. I'm not surprised, like, I'm not surprised. I knew you was a nigga. Where y'all from?
I'm from Texas.
Sheen. I'm from Georgia.
So what part of Texas? Houston?
No.
Austin? Dallas?
Right on the dot.
What part of Georgia you from, bro?
Oh, you ain't gonna guess?
Maddie.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Maddie.
Yes.
Are you gonna drop the Addy?
Yes.
So you can call me daddy.
No.
You know what? You know
I
what?
thought he was like with that one.
It was smooth though. It was smooth though.
Why are you looking like that?
I just got my heart broken.
Dang, you broke your heart.
Some girl named Maddie.
Oh, what you were trying to talk to her or something?
Yeah, I was trying to find a Valentine's. She said I was ugly.
No, you not ugly.
You trying to be my Valentine's?
I already have one. Sorry.
Hey, wait, look up real quick. Look up.
You said what?
I'm already knowing, like. I got a question.
What'd you say?
I got a question. Couple questions.
Got answers.
Okay. How old are you, first of all?
18.
18? You got Valentine's?
Yeah, I got 10.
What's up with y'all? Like, that shit ain't funny.
10.
That shit not cute. So what if I put you on my roster?
I'm just gonna be on there.
Oh, you just gonna be on there? What if I give you some starting minutes? Like, I give you some playing time type shit. You gonna play? You gonna play your heart out?
Nah.
Why not? Huh?
50%.
Why 50?
Because.
Mm.
Why would I give my all?
Because I'm different. Why wouldn't you give me your all? The fuck? Exactly. Play it cool, man. Bro, what the hell is you singing?
Today my mom's birthday.
Come on, get right. Tell her I say happy birthday from Worldwide J.
I am. I'm tired.
I probably need to come out there and cook or something to eat. You know what I'm I'm saying? I love my cougars.
Something to eat.
I love my cougars.
What's a cougar?
An older black lady.
How old are you?
I'm grown. And
You
cook
not
or something.
getting in my house to cook my mama shit.
I can't? Why not?
Cause her husband is going to knock your ass
I
out.
just play my role.
Talking about play role. My mother don't got side niggas. She is happily married with kids.
So what about you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I got side niggas. You
You got side niggas?
About me. I'm a Pisces. Remember that.
Okay, and I'm a Capricorn.
I hope all Atlanta niggas don't have this kind of mindset. I hope
What you
Georgia
mean?
niggas don't have this kind of mindset, period.
What? What
Be
mindset?
breaking hearts like a motherfucker out here. I'm gonna have niggas.
I said, you think you gonna be the only one?
I am.
With me?
You like, boy, bye. I don't know. I'm going to Miami soon. So we'll be doing this.
For spring break?
Hell fucking yeah.
Oh, that's a red flag.
I'm not I cannot miss it this year.
That's
Last
a
year
red
I missed
flag.
it because I had a boyfriend. I cannot miss it.
You know why niggas go to Miami for spring break?
Why?
Now just guess.
For the bitches.
To what?
To fuck them.
And you going to Miami
No
to get
funny
fucked.
shit. Niggas tell me all the time, you feisty. Exactly. Get out my face. I don't even like niggas in person. Like, get
So
out my
do
face.
you think I can handle you?
No, you can't.
You don't think I can handle you?
Grown. You cannot.
I can most definitely handle your little ass.
Bruh, you can't.
Man, what the hell is this?
Hold on 1 second. I'm giving Young Boy his flowers. Calm down. Young Boy is a legend of our generation. And if y'all don't appreciate his music, he is sent from above. Now back to you. The fuck was you questioning, ho? The fuck do you mean what is what, nigga? I wasn't talking to you.
Hey, bro, relax.
Why y'all so short? Do this. Do this.
Hey, it's
Okay,
Twist.
nigga.
It's Twist. I just started.
Fuck,
Relax. Stank ass motherfucker.
nigga. You stink, nigga.
Fuck wrong
you
with
in your
you?
grandma's house, the wood shining in a bitch. Yo.
Hell no.
You in there spraying baby oil on the wall? Why the fuck is shit so? Oh, you like thong? Yeah, that's like on your wall right there, baby.
I think I've seen you before.
In person?
Hell yeah, it was at Lennox, I think.
Oh, I'm short as fuck, ain't I?
Bro, I'm not looking at you like that. The fuck you talking about?
I'm 5'3", so if it wasn't 5'3", it
Yeah,
wasn't.
nah. I think he was like 6'2". Fuck you talking about?
Bitch, I need my food. I do. Money hungry nigga, I will never lose. Trust in God and you won't lose. Trust in God and you won't lose. Yeah, bitch, I need my food. I do. Money